Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimetsoft Research Company, and I'm here to show you how to use stacked column charts in Excel. So these charts are really useful for breaking down and comparing different parts of a whole. So I have a whole bar chart and I want to break it down to different categories and compare them. So you can see I have some data here. I have some years, and and then I have some seed, harvested maybe, and it's gram per square meter, and then I have some leaf numbers in the same unit. So now I want to show you how to show this information quickly using stacked column and see how they are useful for this type of information. So I go to Insert tab, as I am already, and then I go for 2D columns. Its title is Insert Column or Bar Chart. I click on that. The second one will be in the 2D columns. The second one is stacked column. I click on that and you can see it itself recognizes the year to be here in the x-axis and the seed and leaf to be shown in different parts. And here you have some bars that each bar represents a whole. So I have the whole, say biomass. So the whole biomass, if I want to show it here, the whole biomass will be seed plus leaf. Okay, I have the whole biomass in each bar, and then I have the parts for leaf and for seed, so I can compare the same colors with each other in here. So it's very easy tool for showing this information. I can just change the properties or elements of this chart, and then I can go for chart style. I can change the styles as you see here, and then I can go for colors. I can put different colors here so that it will be more more beautiful. So I can change the chart title also, say for example biomass parts. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimetsoft channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.